How to install pea gravel. Pea gravel is a functional and common landscaping product for walkways, driveways and play areas. You can hire a professional landscaper to design and lay the pea gravel in your yard, or you can purchase the gravel from a local home supply or garden center. Pea gravel is available by the bag or by the ton, depending on the volume you need. Things you will need: heavy string or rope, shovel, weed block fabric, tamper, garden hose. Mark off the area where you want to spread the pea gravel using heavy string. Dig out the space where you want the gravel using a shovel. Remove up to 6 inches of soil from the area. Lay a sheet of weed block at the bottom of the area. Weed block will prevent any grass or weeds from growing in the gravel area. Spread the pea gravel evenly. Use a tamper to help level the area. Spray the gravel down with a garden hose to help it settle.